Welcome to Begin with Breath Tai Chi. This session is designed to help you optimize your overall health and wellness with mindful movement. All right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen. Just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. And as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body, feeling rooted into the earth, but also soft, strong but flexible, power and beauty. And you can let your belly expand on each inhale, and then on each exhale, just let it soften towards the spine, or just breathing in any way that feels good for you. Just coming into the present moment, letting go of all the worries from the day. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. Then the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy, bringing it in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, and the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Taking as many breaths as you need, opening the door. The start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. And the arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky, opening the shoulders and the chest. A good morning stretch, creating length in the spine. Nice and slow, one more time, holding up the sky. And then from here, the back of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the side, the fountain. Breathing in, and then breathing out, letting go. Softening, letting it all out. Moving like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the fountain. And then this time the fingertips point up and then very gently rotate towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, rotating the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. Gentle rotation. Then the hands keep going all the way up and over, and then spiraling out and away. Silk reeling the upward spirals. So spiraling the energy throughout the body, opening, letting it go. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up and over. The fingertips point down. They come down the center and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out, just dropping down. Like big raindrops floating down from the sky. One more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And the arms float out to the sides. The arms float down, palms face up. They float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. Then this time, if you want, you can do a side bend, just easing in. Nice and soft. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, pushes to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. Then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. Then the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, opening the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, floating back up, drifting across the eye level, and then the heart, and then lower abdomen, and then one more round, swimming dragon. Breathing, feeling the sensations. One more time, and then release. Round out, hugging the tree, bring it right to the center. Step one foot out a little bit wider, and then from here, the palms face up towards the sky as we gather the seeds. And then planting the seeds into the earth, the hands come down the center as you soften down. The hands brush out to the sides. Coming back up the center to gather some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Just softening down. You don't have to go very low. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking a few breaths if you need to. One more time, planting seeds. This time, circle the arms in front. The palms face each other, right in front of the heart, and then softening down the center. Then the hands brush out to the side, coming all the way up and over, and then down the center line as we plant the tree. Circling up again, getting in all of our gardening from the day, coming down the center, breathing in, getting in our squats as well. Breathing out. One more time, planting the tree. And then circle in front and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the hands draw in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw back in as you shift back, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, nice and slow, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up. They come all the way over as if we're draping a coat right over the shoulder and then pushing right to the corner. Breathing in, circle up and over. Breathing out. One more time, draping the coat. Taking your time, pushing through, and then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out, no rush. Just taking your time, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body, and push. This time the arms float up. They come all the way up and over, draping the coat, and then pushing through. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, draping the coat. And then step the front foot in, hug the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway like bamboo in the wind. Just feeling all the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for joining me for this session. Please click the link right here to watch your next video, and I'll see you over there.